this is very interesting. Today, on the 21st of September 2022, we have Hakolahdentie, Riksvägen 2-D, but filmsteget soon. It was built in 1957, turning 65 years old this year in 2022, and this number is a 7142. It's here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Helsingfors, modernized Finland with 5 doors, and here the capacity is with 3 persons 240 grams, but A, B, and C are tiny for 2 persons 160 grams. Pretty interesting. It should have been inspected last year, 2021 is delayed. Let's try to take 3 rounds here. It's strange because I think there's the same amount of apartments here as the other stakes.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, inspected, maintained by Schindler.
Maybe they just ordered the bigger one here because they just noticed that the 2 persons were not enough. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Which stakes is A and B, and the stakes C when we get it to it soon.
That's